If you want to move money from your PayPal balance to your bank account, this only takes a few minutes. In this video, I will show you exactly how to transfer your money, explain the different transfer speeds, and help you avoid unnecessary fees. Let's get started. First, open the PayPal app and make sure you are signed into your account. Once you are logged in, you will arrive on the home screen. Near the top of the screen, you should see your PayPal balance. Next, tap the wallet icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. On the wallet page, tap your PayPal balance. This will open more options related to your available funds. Now tap the transfer button. You will see two choices: transfer to bank and transfer internationally. To send money to your own bank account, tap transfer to bank. On the next screen, enter the amount you want to transfer. After entering the amount, you will be asked to choose a transfer speed. If you select the in minutes option, your money will usually arrive much faster, but PayPal charges a fee of 1.75% of the transfer amount. If you would rather avoid the fee, choose the standard transfer option instead. This option is free, but it may take a few business days for the money to reach your bank account. Before continuing, make sure the correct bank account is selected. If you have more than one bank account linked to PayPal, double check that you are sending the money to the right one. Once everything looks correct, tap transfer to complete the transaction. That's it. Your transfer has now been submitted, and you can check its status in your PayPal activity if you want to track its progress. One quick tip before you go: if you do not see the transfer to bank option, make sure you have already linked and confirmed a bank account in your PayPal account settings. Without a linked bank account, you will not be able to transfer your balance. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.